Hi everyone, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about bioregulatory peptides and how I'm using them in my practice. So bioregulatory peptides are strings of amino acids, and they're small strings. They're around 8 amino acids. And amino acids there's essential and non-essential. Some are produced in the body and some you have to take in with your diet. And peptides are regulatory molecules that help a cell know what to do. In other words, it helps a liver cell know what to do, how to detoxify. It helps a stomach cell know what to do in order to digest food. It helps a heart cell to know what to do to pump blood. And I'm obviously making this much more simplistic than it really is, but bioregulatory molecules are signal molecules, and they signal to the organ. Usually they're organ specific. They signal to an organ, do this, do that, die, involute, get more water. I mean, they're a signaling agent, and so they're very they give directions, right? And the cell takes those directions when signaling is properly working. So I like to use them because they help maintain a nice environment for the cell to live and work in. And that's what I'm always trying to do, is to support the cell, support cellular health. And I'm also using a lot of peptides, which are slightly different than bioregulatory peptides. Bioregulatory peptides are usually oral, and peptides per se are usually injectable, with the exception of a few. There are some intranasal peptides coming out, which I'm really excited about, like C-Lank and C-Max, so you can use them intranasally and they go right up to the brain. These are excellent for people with Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson disease, MS, any kind of neurodevelopmental problem. These are great to use. So peptides are obviously the rage. I'm certified through the William Seeds program. I've been certified for, I think, 5 or 6 years. And I use them quite a bit in my practice, and I think that they help patients achieve a state of wellness faster, and I think they help them maintain it longer. And in my practice, that's the whole idea, is we want to try and elevate and sustain wellness for everyone. And so I'm using bioregulatory peptides and peptides. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.